My foot is wet. Fuck. My fucking Mary, let me borrow your shoe. Woo! It hurts. Ah, fuck. Damn it, where's my mom? We need her? Ah, shit, it's getting wet. No, these were my warmest shoes. Ah, great. Fuck. Oh, look at the food. Ew. Kitty. The fuck is that dumb cat at? Ah! You got my face! Dude! I dare you to stay there for like 5 minutes. It hurts. Ah! My hand! Woo! Cool! Oh my god! Hey Mary, I was gonna put on my hood after being hella wet. Oh, it calms down now. What the hell? Ooh, I'm super wet. Dude, your hair. Oh, my nose. You're wetting it, dumbass bitch. I'm not stupid. I know it only affects it if it wets the bottom part. Fuck, I've never seen this happen. Ah, look at my sweater. That's like a bitch. It's a good kind of pain though, right? Ah, fuck, I'm wet. My fat, dude, I don't want him to die. Dude, your hair. Come here, you look funny. Ow, 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 ow. Mary, now take off my shoes. Oh my god. I can't even zoom in, it's so wet. If the dumb cats are in there, I'd be surprised.
They're not.
She's such a dumbass, I bet it doesn't even know it's pregnant.
No, I saw Minto over there and then he ran back.
Then you scared it, stupid.